We have to prove that this type of function in which there is several variables type function, there is two variable, then it is the function of several variable, and we have to prove that it is not continuous at the origin. Now how to it is defined? F of x comma y is equals to x square minus y square upon x square plus y square when x comma y is not equals to 0. If x comma y is equals to 0, then it is 0, right? Then the function's value becomes 0 if x comma y is equals to 0, and if x comma y is not equals to 0, then the function's value is x square minus y square upon x square plus y square, right? We have to prove that it is not continuous at origin. Now how do we prove that it is not continuous at the origin? Let us take path y is equals to mx. Firstly we have to prove that it has limit or not. If it has not limit, then it is not continuous. When it has limit, then we have proved that it is continuous or not, right? So for taking wanting what is limit of this function, so we have to prove take a path y is equals to mx. Now put it in this function's value, x square minus y square upon x square plus y square, which gives y is equals to mx. Then it becomes x square 1 minus m square upon x square 1 plus m square, right? Then x square to x square cancel out. Then the limit of this function exists only 1 minus m square upon 1 plus m square, which is depends on m only, right? This is the constant value. So when we take the what we take m, this gives the value of different type, but the limit does not exist, because limit exists only on depending on m is different in every value you have taken, okay? So the function's limit does not exist. This implies that function is not continuous, because the does not exist. If the limit does not exist, then the function is also not continuous.